Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic of Lagrange's interpolation method in numerical methods. Introduction. Interpolation is a process of estimating the value of a function at an intermediate point when its value are known only at certain specified points. This is the introduction of interpolation. Then we see Lagrange's interpolation formula. Let y equal to f of x be a function which takes the values y0, y1, y2, etc. yn corresponding to x0, x1, x2, etc. xn. Then Lagrange's interpolation formula is y equal to f of x equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, etc. x minus xn divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, etc. x0 minus xn into y0 plus x minus x0 into x minus x2, etc. x minus xn divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, etc. x1 minus xn into y1 plus etc. x minus x0, x minus x1, etc. x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x0 into xn minus x1, etc. xn minus xn minus 1 into yn. For the first one, y0, the denominator value starting with x0 value. For the second term, that is y1. y1 means the denominator term start with x1 plus etc. The last term is yn. yn means the denominator start with x1. So this is the shortcut for Lagrange's interpolation. Next, using Lagrange's interpolation formula, find y of 10 from the following table. X value 5, 6, 9, 11, y value 12, 13, 14, 16. Here we see x value is 5, 6, 9 and 11. The x values are not equal, therefore we are using Lagrange's interpolation method. Solution. By Lagrange's interpolation formula, we have y equal to f of x equal to, write the formula, x minus x1 into x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0. Okay, plus second term is x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 into x1 minus x3 into y1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1 into x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x3 into y2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1 into x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y3. Here x0 is value is 5 and x1 value is 6, x2 is 9 and x3 is 11. Corresponding y0 equal to 12 and y1 equal to 13, y2 equal to 14 and y4 y0 is 12, y1 is 13, y2 is 14 and y3 equal to 16. So we write the formula up to y3. For the first term, we omit the value of x0 for the in the numerator. For the second term, we omit the value of x1 in the numerator. For the third term, we omit the value of x2 in the numerator. And the last one, we omit the value of x3 in the numerator. Now, we substitute the value for x0, x1, x2 and x3 and also y0, y1, y2 and y3 in the formula. So y equal to f of x equal to x minus x1 value is 6 into x minus x2 value is 9 into x minus x3 value is 11 divided by x naught value is 5 minus 6, next to 5 minus 9, 5 minus 11 into y naught value is 12 plus next to substitute x minus x naught is 5, x minus x2 is 9 and x minus x3 is 11 divided by x1 value is 6. So 6 minus 5, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 11 into 13 plus x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 11 divided by 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 11 into 14 plus the last term x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 9 divided by substitute x3 value 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9 into 16. Now we substitute x equal to 10. So f of 10 equal to substitute x equal to 10 in the above equations, Lagrange's formula. After simplifying, we get the results f of 10 equal to 2 minus 13 by 3 plus 35 by 3 plus 16 by 3. Simplify this equation, we get the results 44 divided by 3. So therefore the f of 10 equal to 44 divided by 3. Thank you.